I think the College of Liberal Arts plays an instrumental role in educating Aggies, allowing students the opportunity to think critically about topics like the border. And it's a real place and real people live there. I think students can get a better picture of historical processes and historical events if they approach topics from a multidisciplinary perspective. The grant I received along with my two co-PIs is Bridging the Humanities and Hard Sciences via Global Borderlands Classroom. One of the highlights of this grant is the opportunity to take students with me to the Texas-Mexico border. The border is part of American history and the American narrative. And the course that I will be teaching tied to this grant is History 305, and that's Mexican-American history. Students from history, from civil engineering, and from the law school work collaboratively on projects related to the border from different disciplinary angles.
You know, we're all influenced by the people we talk to or the media we see, and so we have this one image of the way the world is, but it's not until you actually get there that you see how everything interlocks.
Being able to take a course like this from the College of Liberal Arts is really a great opportunity, especially with this trip, and I think it will really help me expand my horizons, especially culturally.
Without the College of Liberal Arts, I wouldn't have the opportunity to take a course like this. So I am just very grateful that I get to go on a trip like this and just get to experience the community here and just get to see what different aspects of life can look like.
It's been a super awesome experience, and I'm grateful just to be able to be here and learn things hands-on and get to know the culture better.
What's great about the College of Liberal Arts is that we are able to reach people of all majors across the university. It's learning without borders.
Yeah.